Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I've got an unbagging of a previously built kit by me. This one here is a 1929 Ford pickup. I'll go ahead and just open the bag and we'll pull it out and see what's inside. I don't remember the year that I built this one. It wasn't 1979 or 1929, I guarantee you that. Now, I don't know if I just said 79 or 29. This is a 29 Ford. It looks like a cool little build. Got kind of a weathered look on the runners and that, the running boards. In the back we have half a motorcycle. I have no idea where this came from. My original thought was it was the motorcycle from the Wheeler Dealer kit, but that was more of a chopper, whereas this was more of just a standard bike. And I don't even know what kind of bike it was. Suzuki, it looks like it says on the little thing right there. So that's kind of cool. We'll just set that over here. And then the Ford pickup, which this one held together the best out of all of them so far. I don't remember if this comes off or not. Yes, it does. There's big old big old Chevy engine, big old Ford engine in there. I'm not sure what kind. Maybe a 302, maybe a 351. Hard to say. That there, I believe, was your gas tank, your fuel tank, radiator. The little cap is missing, and it looks like there's some holes on both sides of the frame. Right, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Can't get the light to hit it just right, but right there's a hole on each side. I think that was to mount a spare tire, but I don't remember because this kit was so old. I wish, oh, they do have it on the bottom. I was just gonna say, I wish they wrote on the bottom of these like they do Hot Wheels. And this one says, copyright, Monogram Model Incorporated, all rights reserved, made in USA, but no date, unfortunately. So this was a monogram kit, and that was the pickup truck. They also had a Woody 29 Woody wagon, which was the same color, molded in the same yellow, and it had obviously the full like Woody back end on it that was like a sedan, or a not a sedan, what's the word I'm looking for here? Suburban style vehicle. Not a panel van, but a Woody van. I don't remember. Sorry. But that's that one. I'm sorry, I don't know what year I built this. I'm going to say it was the late 70s. Maybe some of you know because of the yellow. I don't know when Monogram started using yellow, but both those kits had it. And I believe I picked this one up at like Kmart back in the day. So there you have it, folks. 1929 Ford pickup. Thanks again for stopping by. Appreciate you. Have a great day. See you on the next one. Keep on modeling.